evening, guys. We are here at the Google Developer Group's DevFest 2014. The registrations have already finished and the speakers have started their sessions inside right now. And we hope it's going to be an amazing event at the end. Shamir, what do you think about these events?
It's pretty good, and it's very vital to host these kind of developer festivals in order to share the knowledge and network with fellow developers. So it's a great initiative by the Google.
How do you feel about the event today? Are you excited and did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was awesome so far, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the session. I especially enjoyed the sessions about the new apps that are being developed, and at the moment there's a session going on about Vega, the electric car. So I'm really excited because it's amazing that people in Sri Lanka can do something like this. So it was great. Thanks.
What do you think about DevFest 2014 and was it better than last time, or what do you think about it?
Yes, I really enjoyed what was done today. We learned a lot of things and saw so many awesome things, especially like the demo of the Vego, the car, and I also like the demonstration about web applications. So I think it's a really good event.
So, what do you think about this year's DevFest and what are your thoughts about it?
I think this DevFest is a very cool gathering of developers in Sri Lanka. In here, I've been here from the very beginning, and I heard a lot of very advanced, technical, very pretty cool sessions being delivered. So I'm really honored to be part of this DevFest this year, and it's very well organized.
This is my first DevFest experience, and it was really cool. Awesome sessions were there, especially about, as been told, the car and the Mogo Reader. So, and also we learned a lot about trending technologies. So, looking forward to participate to the next DevFest also.
So Danika, can you tell me what do you feel about events like these in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, it's actually a pleasure to take part in events like these, and it's a great opportunity to Sri Lankan developers to get the exposure about events like this. And as same as promoting the technical stuff with this type of events, I think that we should also promote the entrepreneurship. And if something like that happen, I would really like to contribute to you all.
So Damika, how do you feel about today?
Okay, I think it's great to be here in Google's another event because in here we always get new technologies and what upcoming trends. It's not only the tech geeks, not only about IT. Today we had sessions about some Vega and all other things.
Amdu, what do you think about the DevFest session today?
Yeah, I thought it was really well organized, and I really enjoyed all of the talks, as well as the atmosphere of really having a developer community get together for something as interesting as this. I basically enjoyed all of the talks that were there, and I hope everyone else enjoyed the talk I had to give as well. and I really hope that this continues and that we can build up a community around this kind of thing, this kind of event, a hardcore of developers from Sri Lanka who are interested in attending events like this, organizing events like this, and who are interested in the true concepts of engineering, of building new things, of innovating. And I wish the organizing team all the best, and thank you very much for organizing this great event.
DevFest was wonderful because it brought together lots of the newest up and coming people in tech, and we got to hear a lot about Sri Lanka startups, something we wouldn't usually hear about. And the sessions were really interesting, and I wish all the best for GDG and all the great events they'll carry out.
Asangi, one of our GSAs. So, what do you think about today?
This is the second Dew Fest. Last year we host this event, and this is a much better event. So you guys and all the Keshan and all the other organizers have done a great job for keeping this stuff going on, and I wish all the organizers very best to keep this up.
Keshan Sodimana, so one of our managers from Google for Sri Lanka. So, what do you think?
Well, it's a nicely organized event. First of all, I need to thank GDG managers, especially Sandun, Dushanta, Charita, Raveen, Milindu, and there are so others like Uday. So this is a very well organized event. Actually, this is the second time we did this DevFest in Sri Lanka. Last year, we had a similar kind of event, and with all this experience, I think the second event was also a success. And I hereby like to say that we will hope to organize our third event hopefully next year, and also we'll be doing few other events in the upcoming months. So there are a lot of hope. Like we are also doing a lot of things in Sri Lanka with, from the Google side. So there will be a lot of new things coming up in the next quarter. So let's stay tuned with us and hope to come up with a lot of cool things. Thank you very much.